Greer. How'd you get up there, Greer? How'd you get up there? Don't stand up. It's bad enough that you climbed up there. Yeah. I climbed like a big girl. What's brother doing? Champion looking brother on the head. Davis. 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 Greer. Greer. Greasy Jane. Little sass. You watching your brother dog? Yeah. Davis. You want to say hello? Davis. Where are you going, Greer? You're going to bust your head. You're going to bust your head. You need to figure out how to get down since you're the one that got up there. Davis. 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 Okay. Say bye-bye. You're getting too close. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Greer. What? You gonna learn how to get down? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, not. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know what you want, Greer. Davis. Hey, Davis. Hey, Davis. Here we go. Okay, Greer, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.